Some early signs of pregnancy include missed period. The most reliable sign of pregnancy is a missed period. Implantation bleeding. In the first few weeks of pregnancy, you might experience a light period, spotting, or a small amount of blood loss. This is called implantation bleeding. Breast tenderness. Hormonal changes can make your breast sensitive or sore. Nausea and vomiting, also known as morning sickness, this can occur at any time of day or night. Increased urination. You might urinate more frequently than usual, especially at night. Fatigue. You might feel tired. Cravings and aversions. You might crave some foods or have a distaste for foods you usually like. You might also experience a sour or metallic taste in your mouth. However, many of these symptoms can also be caused by other factors, such as stress or illness. If you suspect you may be pregnant,